Welcome to our Piping Engineering YouTube channel. We continue our free piping education videos in this channel. Before starting this video, please subscribe to our education YouTube channel to watch more piping engineering videos. You can also benefit from some private benefits by membership to our channel. In this video, we will learn correct reading piping isometric drawing as per directions and 3D model. I prepared a 3D model of this pipeline and put the 3D model together with the pipe drawing for you easy reading piping isometric drawing. We will start to read this pipe isometric drawing from this flange and will finish in this flange. The pipeline starts from this flange and extends to northwards a length of 497 mm. Then it turns downward with a 90-degree elbow and a length of 343 mm. Then pipeline turns northward with a 90-degree angle and a length of 1,533 mm. In this point, the pipeline turns to eastwards with a 90-degree elbow and a length of 708 mm. Then pipeline turns northward with a 90-degree angle and a length of 197 plus 533 mm. Here the pipeline turns to east northwards with a 45-degree elbows. To understand this more easily, the pipeline should first turn downwards for a length of 72 mm at an angle of 45 degrees, and then turn to the northwards for a length of 72 mm at an angle of 45 degrees. At last pipeline continue northward with a 45-degree angle and a length of 2,607 mm. And reading piping isometric drawing successfully completed. This education video is finishing here. Your comments about video you can write in the comments section. By becoming a member of our channel, you can support our channel and benefit from some features. I would like to express my deep gratitude to our viewers who already have member to our channel. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I would like to express my thanks in advance to our viewers who write comments and likes. Thank you for watching. See you on next video. Take care.